Welcome to the farm today. Let's count animals. Come and play. Welcome to the farm today. Let's count animals. Come and play. Clap your hands and count with me. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3. One little cow goes moo. Whoa! Shake your head. Woot boot 2. Count with me. 1, 2. Two little ducks go quack quack quack. Waddle waddle. Front and back. Count with me. 1, 2. 3 fluffy sheep go ba ba ba. Jump jump jump. La la la. Count with me. 1, 2. 4 pink pigs go oink oink oink. Wiggle wiggle. Bonk bonk bonk. Count with me. 1, 2. 4 fast horses go neigh neigh. Crummity crummity cloo cloo cloo. Clip clop clop. Run this way. Count with me. 1, 2. Let's count again. Nice and slow. Tap your fingers. Go go go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great big cheer. You did it. High five. Bonus time. Are you ready? Let's count faster. Steady steady. 1 cow, 2 ducks, 3 sheep, 4 pigs, 5 horses went fall asleep. Clap 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 and shout. Yay!